Hey everyone, today we're talking about something Albert Einstein supposedly called the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. If you've never really dug into this, stick around, because understanding compound interest is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build real wealth over time. No get-rich-quick schemes, just math working in your favor. First, what exactly is compound interest? It's interest that you earn not just on your original money, but also on the interest you've already earned. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but the longer it rolls, the bigger and faster it gets. Let me give you a super simple example. Imagine you invest $100 today at an average annual return of 7%, that's roughly what the stock market has delivered over the long term after inflation. Now watch what happens over time with compounding. After 1 year, your $100 grows to $107. Year 2, you earn 7% not just on the original 100, but on the 107, so it becomes about $114.49. It keeps going like that. By year 10, around $196.71. By year 20, roughly $386. By year 30, about $761. And by year 40, over $1,498. That's almost 15 times your original $100, and you didn't add a single extra penny. The growth came purely from letting your money compound. Now let's make it more realistic. Say you're 25 years old and you start putting away just $200 a month into a low-cost index fund tracking the S&P 500, again, assuming 7% average annual return. By the time you're 65, 40 years later, that consistent investing could grow to over $520,000. And guess what? Most of that came from compounding, not from the total amount you put in. You only contributed about $96,000 over 40 years. The rest? Pure compound magic. Here's the key takeaway: time is your biggest advantage. The earlier you start, the less you actually need to invest to reach big numbers. Waiting 10 years can literally cut your final wealth in half, even if you invest twice as much later to catch up. Quick beginner tip: to harness this, focus on 3 things. 1. Start as early as possible, even if it's small amounts. 2. Invest in things with solid long-term returns, like diversified stock index funds. 3. Be consistent and patient, don't touch the money for decades if you can help it. Compound interest doesn't make headlines like hot stocks or crypto pumps, but it's the quiet engine behind almost every wealthy person's portfolio. Start small, stay invested, and let time do the heavy lifting. What about you? How old were you when you first heard about compounding, or are you just starting now? Drop a comment below with your age and how much you're investing monthly. I'd love to see the conversation. If this clicked for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more evergreen money tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Start compounding today, your future self will thank you. See you in the next one.